Bay, first of all, congrats. Tapos, sa kadugay na ito nga, nagsabay, bay. Nagsabay ta nila Maya. Pag na may problema, bay, ayaw ko na Maya. Kato na, bay. Cheers! Cheers!
Free dreams right here beneath these sheets. We could sleeping all day, taking our time, baby. I need your way, take it easy. Summertime haze, let it hit back. Now it sounds cliche, but you are something special, so won't you stay? Stay dancing with the cabernet. I like the way you.
How did I know that she's the one? Actually, wala na ko siya napag-isipan, wala na ko siya murag destiny, nag-click lang jud. Then makita na ko she's the one that most understand me as a person. Then she's the one who can tame the beast.
Today, in this particular day, in this January 24, you, man, Emmanuel, and Maya, the woman, will be together. And what God has joined, let no man separate.
I've been searching my whole life.
Beb, message ako for you is more pagtaas na pasensya and happy ko na kita gid sa end and bless kay ko nga nakakasa ko life. See you later sa altar and I love you so much.
You brought me to
Happy ko na nakita na dyan mo finally kanang imuhang destiny, which is si Koy, and happy ko ni abot na dyan na time nakabalo ko dugay na ni mo ginahula.
Yes.
Na magminyo na dyan ka.
Love
Okay.
you.
Advance, congratulations sa ato, Beb. See you later, Mrs. Dalisay. I very much love you. Karon na naman na nadunggan.
for the first time.
Sa karon dili ko katuon na for nag-start me as LDR. Dili ko katuon na kami gid at the end. So for almost 9 years, actually anniversary na mo karon. So this is it. And finally, kasta na dyan yung duha.
I jump back.
Ito na yung panimula ng isang pamilya. Sana itong pamilya alagaan mo tapos ayusin mo ang pagdala. Mahalin mo yung pamilya mo. Magkaroon lang kayo ng tiwala sa taas na para maitaguyod nyo yung pamilya nyo sa mabuting paraan.
There's nowhere else that I would rather be.
Emmanuel Jr., did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Maya, Sarah, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
I